Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify passport on Ryanair app. So to verify your passport on the Ryanair app, you should first have the application downloaded on your phone and then check in for your flight, enter your passport details, then follow the on-screen prompts to scan your passport's biometrics chip or by holding the back of your phone to the passport's biodata. So you need to go to Ryanair and then press on login. You input your credentials and you log in, you find your flight, you do the online check-in, and then you scan your password and using your phone, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.